Here's a quick check at what else is making news around the world. Around Maiduguri, which is the capital of Nigerian state of Borno, hundreds of thousands of displaced people are crammed into government-controlled camps or huddled in makeshift shelters at unofficial locations. The makeshift hygiene facilities are part of urgent efforts aimed at warding off the spread of the coronavirus among the 1.8 million people displaced across the region by the decade-long Boko Haram insurgency. In Nigeria, the coronavirus has so far infected 174 people, including Abba Kyari, the second most powerful man of the country. The grave diggers of Brazil are working at a grueling pace to add to the more than 1.5 million graves at the country's largest cemetery. Due to coronavirus deaths, Sao Paulo City, which usually purchases 6,000 coffins every 6 months for public funeral homes, ordered 8,000 more in March alone. In a recent afternoon at Villa Formosa Cemetery, coffins were arriving so quickly the grave diggers had to ask mourners to wait. Long winding lines formed outside the State Unemployment Fund offices in downtown Santiago, Chile, which is under a full quarantine amid increasing coronavirus infections. The closure of shops, restaurants, cinemas and other establishments by order of the health authorities has put pressure on the labor market in the country, whose economy was barely recovering from a strong wave of protests that began in October. Virus crisis, which was first detected in the country in early March, has already exceeded 3,000 cases. Authorities in Rio de Janeiro are turning to the iconic Maracana Stadium into one of the 7 field hospitals to treat patients with COVID-19. The new hospitals will add 1,800 beds to the health system in Rio, which is the state with the second highest number of deaths and confirmed cases in Brazil, behind Sao Paulo. According to authorities, the hospitals will be ready by the end of April.